In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high converting landing pages for Google Ads with a full tutorial that will deliver real results. Landing pages are a vital component in driving successful online advertising campaigns, and they can significantly boost your conversion rates when done right. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you'll start your journey in creating an effective landing page that complements your Google Ads strategy. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google Ads account. Signing in will take you to your Google Ads home dashboard. It's important to familiarize yourself with this interface as it's your command center for managing your ad campaigns and tracking performance. From the home, click on the campaigns icon. This section is where you'll manage and optimize your existing campaigns and draft new ones if needed. It's crucial to keep an eye on your campaigns here because it helps in understanding which directions your ads are taking in terms of audience engagement and outreach. After clicking on campaigns, navigate over to Insights and Reports. This tool offers a wealth of analytics and data about your ad performance, user engagement, and more. By understanding this data, you can make informed decisions on how to tweak your campaigns to achieve better results. Remember, effective advertising is an iterative process, and these reports are instrumental in pinpointing what's working and what needs improvement. Next, you'll need to focus on the landing pages section found within the Insights and Reports area. This section specifically will showcase how visitors are interacting with your site's landing pages after clicking through from an ad. Here you can assess the performance of each landing page, identify any flaws, and strategize on improvements. The goal is to ensure that these pages are aligned with the user intent you're targeting through your ad copy. Ensure that your landing pages are fast loading, mobile friendly, and hold clear, concise, and compelling content. Page speed is critical as users today expect instant access, and any delay can result in a lost conversion opportunity. Moreover, the message on your landing page should directly reflect the promise of your ad to maintain consistency and coherence, encouraging potential customers to proceed further in the purchasing journey. That's it for today's walkthrough. Remember, the key to crafting high converting landing pages lies in testing, analyzing, and refining based on solid data insights. Keep experimenting to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.